In today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at paper saving on the SM-T274 model. On this machine, if you've got the machine in receipt mode, when you run a sale through, you get a receipt automatically printed out. There is no paper saving mode as such on this register, but what you can do is set the machine to journal mode. So in journal mode it uses less paper because it doesn't print a receipt header. The downside of this is that you can't ever give a receipt out because the machine is permanently in journal mode. If you want to set it up in journal mode, there's a couple of steps to take. The first one is key round to PGM, and then 1 subtotal 0 CH, and if we feed the paper through a touch, you can see that the printer is now set to journal mode. The second step is to attach the paper to the spool at the back of the machine, because instead of having it print out the top, you're basically going to be having it run round to the back onto the spool at the back of the machine. So to do this, fold the paper over so you've got a nice thick clean edge, and then the paper slides through the 2 slots on the central spindle of the take-up spool. Once you've got it under the 2 slots, you can then wrap it round the central spindle and drop the spool into place. Key back round to reg, and now when you run a sale through, you still get a printout. Cash that one off, but it's not producing a receipt header, so it's taken up a lot less space. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.